Electric, electronic, or electrical. Electric, electronic, or electrical. Electric, electronic, or electrical. Electric, electronic, or electrical. Which one is it? And what is the difference? Stay tuned and find out. Okay, electric, electrical, and electronic. Let's get started. It is common for English learners and even some native English speakers to mix up words that look or sound similar. What is the difference between the adjectives electric, electrical, and electronic? Well, don't say, "My friend plays electrical guitar in a rock band." Don't say, "My friend plays electronic guitar in a rock band." Say instead, "My friend plays electric guitar in a rock band." But why? Well, the adjective electric is used to describe things that produce or use electricity. Electric devices, electric objects, are safe to touch and safe to use. For example, an electric guitar, an electric kettle for boiling hot water for tea or coffee, an electric car, an electric razor for shaving, an electric scooter, an electric skateboard, an electric stove, an electric generator. Don't say, "Please plug my computer into that electric outlet on the wall." Don't say, "Please plug my computer into that electronic outlet on the wall." Say instead, "Please plug my computer into that electrical outlet on the wall." Why? The adjective electrical is used to describe things that are concerned with electricity, about electricity. Electrical devices or electrical objects transport electricity from one place to another place, or from one object to another object. Electrical devices must be handled, touched, with caution because they can kill you. They can electrocute you with electricity. Not good. So, an electrical outlet, an electrical wire, an electrical fuse, an electrical plug. electrical tape, electrical equipment, electrical shock. Don't say, my cell phone is an electric device. Don't say, my cell phone is an electrical device. Say instead, my cell phone is an electronic device. Why? Well, the adjective electronic is used to describe things that have computer components, computer technology. Computer components that control and direct electricity. Electronic devices can be handled safely, much like electric devices can. For example, an electronic keyboard. However, electronic devices are more advanced than electric devices. This means electronic devices can perform more complex functions than electric devices. And electronic devices can often perform functions on their own to some extent. In most situations, electronic is used as a noun. It's much more common than the adjective, rather than the adjective. And this is electronics. Electronics are the category of things that use electronic components, such as microchips, transistors, etc. Things that are used in computers. So electronics use electronic components. A computer, a laptop, a smartphone, a television, a tablet, an amplifier for a stereo, for music, right? A motherboard for your computer. All electric and electronic devices contain electrical components, wires, things like that, circuits. Electric devices are a more basic technology and do not usually contain electronic components, microchips, transistors, computer stuff, things that are in computers. Electronic devices are more high-tech and do contain electronic components. Microchips, transistors, as well as electrical components, wires and circuits. Okay, guys, now it's your turn. But first, what do you think? Electric, electrical, or electronic? It's a flashlight. Electric. There's no computer stuff. There's no wires. It's a simple device, a battery, a light, on and off. What about my cell phone? Electric, electrical, or electronic? It is electronic. It has computer stuff. What about my tablet? electronic. What about this? Electrical. Okay. Let's do a short quiz. I will give 5 examples. You tell me if you think electric, electrical, or electronic is correct or incorrect. If you think the word is incorrect, what do you think the correct word is or should be? Write your answers in the comments section down below, and also your ideas for future videos. Okay, number 1, is it correct or incorrect? I prefer my automatic watch over my electric Apple Watch, a smartwatch. Number 2, many young people today are addicted to electrical devices. Number 3, my stereo isn't working right now. There's a problem with its electrical circuits. Number 4, electronic keyboards are so much easier to use than typewriter keyboards. Number 5, do me a favor and plug that electrical cord into the wall over there. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. My name is Liam, and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes interesting adjectives simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.